Yo guys, SPECO here. Today I will teach you how to make microwave edit in CapCut PC like this. Before we start guys, subscribe the channel and like video. Also hit that bell to get the notification of my upcoming Excellent guys, you successfully learned how to make microwave edit. Okay guys, if you want more tutorials then comment tutorial and share this video to your editor friend who don't know how to make microwave edit. Bye guys, I will back in another tutorial.